Hey guys, and welcome back, and welcome to my open box presentation of my Uten air fryer. Yes, this healthy cooking, you save oil, save money, and even save 20% cooking time. Now you're gonna say goodbye to high fat, high calories. None of that, because you'll fry your favorite foods without oil. Yes, no oil at all. Now it's so large it can cook a whole chicken, bake a delicious cake, and other large foods. Or if you want just wings, it can it can cook that. I mean, it cooks everything, steak. The list goes on. And I'm going to show you how the air fryer cooks and how convenient it is. Now this is my air fryer, and I open it up, and this is the vent in the back, and I open it up, and it has a little rack in it. Yeah, and then you put your seasoned chicken. I'm using chicken wings, the flats, and I season it and put it in my air fryer. No oil. Did I say no oil? No oil whatsoever. And then this is what I like. It has an 8 preset smart touch screen. So I just look at the picture, the icon for chicken, press it, and it automatically has the right time for me and the right temperature. Now y'all know this is heaven. I tell you. Just press that. I wait my 15 minutes. No jumping from that frying oil and none of that. I just put it on and wait 15 minutes. Booyah. There it is. I have delicious